Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This video we will discuss about tips to help prevent a heart attack. Number 1, don't smoke or use tobacco products. Smoking and tobacco use can have a significant impact on your health, and not in a good way. It is the leading cause of preventable death worldwide, with millions of people dying each year from tobacco-related illnesses. When you smoke or use tobacco products, you are inhaling harmful chemicals that can damage your lungs, heart, and blood vessels. Nicotine, the addictive substance in tobacco, raises your blood pressure and heart rate, putting additional strain on your cardiovascular system. Over time, this can lead to the development of serious health conditions such as heart disease, stroke, and cancer. Quitting smoking or tobacco use can be challenging, but it is one of the best things you can do for your health. Within just a few days of quitting, your blood pressure and heart rate will begin to return to normal, and your risk of heart disease and stroke will start to decrease. Over time, your lung function will improve, and you will experience fewer respiratory symptoms. There are many resources available to help you quit smoking or using tobacco products, including nicotine replacement therapy, medications, and support groups. Talk to your healthcare provider about the best approach for you. By quitting smoking or tobacco use, you can improve your health and reduce your risk of heart attack and other serious health problems. Here is number 2, limit alcohol consumption. Alcohol consumption can have both positive and negative effects on your health, depending on how much you drink. Moderate drinking, defined as up to 1 drink per day for women and up to 2 drinks per day for men, has been associated with a lower risk of heart disease and stroke. However, excessive drinking, defined as more than 3 drinks per day for women and more than 4 drinks per day for men, can have serious and negative effects on your health, including an increased risk of heart attack and other cardiovascular problems. When you drink too much alcohol, it can raise your blood pressure and damage your heart muscle, increasing your risk of heart attack and other cardiovascular problems. Heavy drinking can also lead to the development of other health problems such as liver disease, cancer, and mental health disorders. To limit your alcohol consumption, it's important to set reasonable limits for yourself and to stick to them. If you're going to drink, try to do so in moderation and avoid binge drinking. It's also important to know your limits and to avoid situations where you might be pressured to drink more than you're comfortable with. If you find that you're having difficulty limiting your alcohol consumption, consider seeking help. There are many resources available, including support groups and counseling services, that can help you develop healthy habits and make positive changes in your life. By limiting your alcohol consumption, you can help reduce your risk of heart attack and other serious health problem. Follow these steps for living healthy. Thanks for watching and also subscribe my channel.